In this video, I'll show you how to pair the subwoofer of your Sony HT-SC40 Soundbar in case they have been disconnected or in case they're disconnecting while you're listening to things. So how do you do this? Well, it's very easy. First of all, let me show you in the back of the subwoofer. So over here on the back, you're gonna notice there is a power button, and beside it there is a link button, smaller button. Do not press on any of these for the moment, but we'll have to come back at them in a few seconds. So on the main unit over here on the soundbar on the top, we'll need to press, first of all, make sure that your soundbar is turned on, and you see something happening on the screen here. And then we need to press at the same time Bluetooth button and volume up button. All right, until we see something appearing on the screen. So let me put my camera down and I'll press both of these buttons. I'm keeping them pressed until I see something appearing on the screen. Okay, here we go. Once you see secure, you can lift your fingers from there. And now it's time to tap once on the link button. Keep press on it 1 second and then lift your finger. Don't stay on it. Okay, here we go. And you should see done appearing on the screen of your soundbar. Once you see done, it's simply a confirmation telling you that this is connected to this. So you don't have anything else what to do. You can start listening to your soundbar, to your music, to your movies, and the subwoofer should work as it's supposed to, and it will stay connected even if you turn them off and on millions of times. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, but also comment down below telling me it worked. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.